Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram Laramie 4x4 with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Cummins. That is running good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. And any of those LEDs that appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of my camera. It doesn't do that to the human eye. Okay, this one does have alloy wheels, power sliding rear window, tow package. So it does have a spray-on bed liner, backup camera. This is the HD version. Okay, there is black leather interior. Got stowage boxes down there. You have a power deploying running board system right there. Go ahead and give a shot of that VIN. All right, you look down here, you'll see that you have 45,959 miles on this vehicle. Come over here, you'll see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You want to see the backup camera, you can go ahead and throw it in reverse, and that pops up. Okay, and as you come over here to the apps, see that you have the driver's and passengers heated front seats and also vented. Wi-Fi hotspot, backup camera, heated steering wheel. I'm going to turn that down a little bit more, turn your climate down a little bit more so you can hear me better. 2- and 4-wheel drive right here, ignition, towing, and you can also work your front seats and your heated steering wheel here. Got 115 volt right there. You also have your cup holders, additional power supplies, auxiliary ports right there, glove compartments. Come up top and you're gonna have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front driver's quarter panel and the rear center right here. Airbags deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.